see it.
Hey guys, it's me and
Chachi.
nobody knows you by that name, Nancy.
They need to know.
Oh, and Elijah. We can't forget Elijah.
They call me by my real name.
Oh, I can't. Your name's not even Nancy. Quit tripping.
Hello, everybody.
I look cross-eyed with my mask on.
Hello, everybody.
I do. Anyways, oh no! You guys, we got keto cupcakes.
Mommy, I want it.
They're keto cupcakes minus the keto. But we're not gonna have them all. We're just gonna do taste testing. Are you guys ready for a taste test? Oh my god. Okay. What, you want Flocka? Elijah, get away! I swear, I'm trying to be damn YouTube famous. Get away. None of my face. Okay. Stop. So, we have 4 mini cupcakes here. This is the white chocolate raspberry cupcake. This is just a regular strawberry cupcake.
Yeah.
This is just a vanilla cupcake with a marshmallow ball.
Yeah.
And then this is a brownie on the bottom,
Yeah.
cheesecake cupcake on top.
Yeah.
So brownie cheesecake cupcake. And then this is my friend Nancy's. I messed it up for her. I'm sorry. I'm a bad friend.
And here, Elijah, for my mommy and Chachi.
Okay. She got a blueberry lemon cupcake.
This is
But she's a full-size woman. So this is a full-size cupcake. Okay, I'm over here being a skinny legend. Get over here.
Mommy, I just want my cupcake.
Where are they?
Okay, this is a red velvet cake. This is for my husband.
Yeah.
And then this is a cannoli cupcake, and I love cannoli, so I'm excited to try that one. And then my friend got basically like a drumstick. It's called like a nutso,
Yeah.
like a nutso drumstick ice cream thing.
So drums.
This is a Twix
Yeah.
cupcake.
Yeah.
This is another vanilla with a marshmallow. It's called a snowball.
Yeah, that's mine.
And then this is
Chachi?
That's a Twix.
oh, this is another
that's mine.
this is another strawberry. Yes, here, eat your damn strawberry cupcake. I thought
You got the snowball.
oh, that's right.
I got a snowball.
Okay, do you want to show them your bite? No,
Take off the paper and show them the bite.
you don't want to show them a bite?
I don't want
Okay, then be ugly. Bye.
it.
For the gram.
Okay, here, take a bite of your she. Okay, so she's over here getting a jumbo cupcake, and then she gets a keto bar, and then she wants to get a keto lemon bar.
Just for taste.
Right? No, I'm just kidding. It's like when I go to McDonald's and I get a large fry.
Ice water.
No, and then a large Diet Coke. All right,
Is it
this
funny, Elijah?
is a keto lemon bar.
And I got a
Taste it
cupcake.
first.
No, you taste it. I don't even smell like nothing. It doesn't
It
smell.
smells like lemon.
Does it?
Yeah.
My senses are off. They can't see you. What's it like? It tastes like butter.
Tastes like a lot of grain.
A lot of grain. Is there any sweetness?
Very little. It's not bad.
Really? You would eat it again?
I mean, no.
Chocolate in my,
But it's not
in my
bad.
cupcake.
Right. It's not terrible.
It's like they made it without the sugar.
Well, that's what that is.
You want to taste it?
No, not really.
It's not bad. Like you could taste the lemon in there. But it's not it's not very sweet.
That one. Mm-mm.
Oh, you don't like tart.
I don't like tart.
I like tart.
Oh.
Really, Eliza? You're just like your mom.
What?
He goes,
It's super sour.
oh, it's super sour?
I like it lemon.
Okay, we're gonna try The white chocolate raspberry. Don't be touching all of these. You didn't wash your hands.
But I did.
But you didn't though.
Stop cupping me, Mom.
Don't talk to me that way, sir.
Don't move to Mom.
Yeah.
Wait, you're gonna fall. I'm trying to fix your pants.
Dang it, stop it.
Sir. No te chifles.
This is the best cupcake.
Ooh, this one has it has raspberry filling. Woo! Right there, that's a perfect shot right there. Okay. Here you go.
You wanna
All
try
right.
this?
Cheers. He's gonna eat the raspberry on top. You know,
We can try it. Take a bite.
he finished the raspberries in one day. Oh, I forgot she didn't watch my haul, so she wouldn't know what I'm talking about. She's not a very good friend.
Mmm.
Here's this one.
That's very good.
Mm-hmm.
Mmm.
That's tasty.
Yum.
Yum.
Mmm.
It's good.
That's good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
That's cute.
That's good.
Here's a brownie cheesecake one. It has brownie at the bottom.
Yeah.
I'm sure cheesecake flavoring. Oh no, it's splitting.
Yeah, look at this one. This is the snowball flavor.
It's a snowball flavor.
Mhm.
You know what? Get out of here.
Yeah, this is the
Listen, go
snowball
make your own
flavor.
channel.
Oh, he would.
I'm sure he
Hi,
would.
guys.
Hi guys, thanks for watching.
Hit subscribe and the bell right next to it.
And hit the bell so you can be notified whenever we post.
Oh, yeah.
The bottom of her brownie fell.
Turn on. Miss Edgar has long curly hair.
Yes, he does.
Dang it.
Here you
Stop.
go, Chachi. Okay, cheers. Because mine fell apart. Like literally,
Yeah, it's falling apart.
it didn't attach to each other.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, I love their brownie. It's so chewy.
Mm-hmm. Here.
Do you taste the cheesecake and the cupcake?
Not in the cupcake, but just a little filling.
Oh, I didn't get any filling.
Oh.
Permanent.
Mmm.
It wasn't a lot of. It was like just in the middle,
Like a tiny little dot.
like right
Hey,
above,
Mommy.
under all the icing.
Uh-huh.
Like this is cream in it,
Uh-huh.
right?
That's marshmallow cream.
Yeah, that's marshmallow.
Okay, Chachi, do you want to try the cannoli next or your lemon next? I just want a little taste. I don't need half of it.
Yeah, let's try the lemon.
I was like, I don't need half of a big one. I'm about
Yeah,
to
we
get
can taste
sick.
some of mine.
It's too much sweet.
Can taste.
Can you not?
But try to set it.
It's lemon blueberry.
Taste that.
Damn.
Okay. Okay.
Is it good, Elijah?
He barely had a taste. Sorry. Like some of those mukbangers, like they literally just barely put it in their mouth. They're like, oh.
Is your taste buds are awakening?
Yeah, right. Freaking liars. I just want a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, but
Here's my taste. Hold on. Do you want to take a bite of yours, Chucky?
No, you can cut in a slice.
Okay. Like this?
Yeah, that's good.
I was like, you can take it with you. I was like, I'm right there. Here you go. Hold on. I want to smell it first. I got to get my senses in it. Here's my little bite.
Mm.
Ready?
Smell the lemony.
I know. Set. Go.
that's one of little juicy. That's one of
Do you taste blueberry in the cake?
Not in the cake. The blueberries are in the icing.
Huh. That's a good lemon
The cake is the
flavor.
lemon.
That's a good lemon flavor.
Did you taste this one?
I'm done.
We should have had a cup of milk to wash things down.
Oh no, we need a cup of water to wash things down.
Sure.
We need water.
This is the flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I really want to try my cannoli cupcake, and I want you to taste it. This is not good, guys. Okay, the day started off with we were going to go start with a walk.
Oh, what is go-go
We were going to start the day off with a walk, but then it was cold. And so that didn't happen.
That looks delicious.
Look, this is the little top of the little
Oh, red velvet.
of the red velvet. It had fallen off.
Yes.
All right, I love cannoli.
I have ramen noodles in my hair.
Yeah, like the black bean noodle soup. Like the jjajangmyeon, whatever they call it. Alright. I love cannoli. Oh, this one's a little thick.
She's a thickie.
Yeah. Oh.
You're not gonna bite your cannoli?
I am, but I didn't want to be rude. Okay, I'll bite it and you can bite it too.
You can take your cannoli. Is it good? Is it like a, what is it? Normally like a ricotta cheese filled? Is it good? No? That's not a good face.
No, it's not. I love cannoli.
That is not a...
Tell me what flavor that has in there? Like lemon or something?
Yeah, this is a lemon.
But cannoli is not lemon flavored, nothing.
No, so the cannoli they did was just the whole like crunchy part, and they filled it with like.
Well,
It's not lemon.
the cupcake itself looks like a cannoli. Looks like it has chocolate chips inside.
Yeah. It's a different flavor. It's like a.
I don't want to take it, honestly.
Oh, I'm shopping. I'm shopping on the tablet.
I don't like the cake. I don't like it.
It's. I can't put.
I actually got a big one of these because I love cannoli so much, and I'm just gonna leave it and see if Jeremiah wants it or something. That's not what I want. Anyways, I know it looks like we did so bad, but we didn't do terrible. No, we still have we have a bunch of other cupcakes that are, I guess, not for me. I love you.
Love you.
Anyways.
I love you.
Love you, Aisha.
Anyways, I went on a small hike yesterday, and you'll see footage of that before this one. Thank you guys for spending time with me. Thanks for leaving me a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Say bye.
Peace.
Bye.
Peace.
Say peace, my brother.
Peace.
Peace.
It is 5:04 on a Thursday. Dude, this right here, this vanilla cannoli cream latte from International Delight is delicious. And it's time for a little pick-me-up. There we go. I made this coffee earlier. Lithuania. I should have stirred it up a little bit. I think all the coffee settled. That's gonna be delicious.
Stuck it in there, jokingly. Obviously, it was a sketch video.
You guys, what's up, siblings? Where are you, teacher? How long has it been since we've gotten together, guys?
A month.
At least. What is this?
I don't know. Something we seen on TikTok.
Okay, this is a TikTok drink.
We're like 30 plus, so I mean, we're just trying to be cool.
Yeah, we're trying to be cute.
Exciting to be about. Nothing to be excited about. There's nothing to be excited about.
I mean, I could have just taken a shot.
This is a TikTok fail.